bought this necklace. Super cute.
So again, we'll run those down.
Don't mind the pimple. So now I am doing a second loop. I think I'm gonna go in the middle this time because I didn't go in the middle last time. Brother. But I've already done one loop and there's another loop. There's another loop upstairs. You can see up there at the top. So yeah, I found a Tokyo Ghoul backpack, but it's trying to charge me $35 for that. I go online. Yeah, and I bought this necklace. And she gave me a tip on how to make my own necklaces. Man, I missed Billy West. Amazing. So I'm leaving Stocktoncon right now. I got this ring and I got this necklace. So I had a great time. Stocktoncon was amazing. So I picked up a couple of new buttons for my jean jacket. And that one says, "Trust me, I'm a Goonie." And then that's the Oracle from The Never-Ending Story. And then Uhura from the original Star Trek. Oh, and some custom mating rings. Boop, boop.
Want to get something over there and just give me some love, but...
A man-made peninsula here. You can see all of the concrete and dirt, pieces of sidewalks. I don't know if you can see that. What they'll do is they'll just start dumping hella concrete and hella dirt and packing it on top of each other. And that is how this was created. The more you know. There I am. Boo! Do what you do, boo.